Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about prevent destroy meta argument lifecycle in Terraform. Okay, so this meta argument when set to true will cause Terraform to reject with an error any plan that would destroy the infrastructure object associated with the resource as long as the argument remain present in the configuration. So what it means exactly? It means like whenever we are using the lifecycle meta argument under the resource block prevent destroy and the value is set to true, then whenever any user try to delete the resources using the terraform destroy command, they will be not able to do this, because of this life cycle rule. So let's go ahead and see these things practically. So I have defined here two blocks, one the provider and the another block that will create the EC2 instance. So I will define now here life cycle block, prevent destroy, and the value I will use as true. Let me save this and let me run terraform init. Let's run terraform plan. So terraform plan, it's taking a little bit more time. It's refreshing the, so it's saying that plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy, right? So let's run terraform apply -- auto approve. So let's wait for few more seconds so that our instance will get created, right? We don't have any instance running here currently, as we can see, right? So let's go to the terminal, and as we can see AWS instance wave is getting created. So let's wait for few more seconds. Then after that what we'll do, we'll try to run terraform destroy command. So let's refresh to see our instance is here. Our instance is in running state. So let's go ahead and run terraform destroy command. So terraform destroy, let's run this and let's see what terraform is saying here. So it's refreshing the state. As we can see here, right, plan 0 to add, 0 to change, 1 to destroy. Instance cannot be destroyed, right? On main.tf line number 5 resource AWS instance wave. Resource AWS instance wave has the life cycle prevent destroy set, but the plan calls for the resource to be destroyed. To avoid this error and continue with the plan, either disable life cycle prevent destroy or reduce the scope of the plan to using the -target option. So whenever our life cycle prevent destroy value is set to true, then anyone will not able to destroy this resource. But let me change the value to false. Let me save this and let's run terraform destroy again. So as you can see here, instance state is getting refreshed. So let's wait for few more seconds to see the result. So yes, I want to delete it. So as we can see, AWS instance wave is getting destroyed, okay, because the prevent destroy value is set to false. So it's allowing us to it's allowing the Terraform destroy command to destroy the resource, okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.